Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Seychelles speaks messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? This might be the story of someone who doesn't peep anymore, okay? Makes sense? This may be someone who is not here and they don't check anyone's status here or someone's status. The one who doesn't come in view list, maybe it's your energy and you don't do it anymore, or the one who used to do is not doing anymore. However, I feel like it's from both the sides. But I feel for some cases, the one who doesn't peep is very much clear in front of you, like via communication, like via decision, like where you talk to this person, and yeah, things going well. For some of you, there's this energy of like something that is growing. Now growing means I feel like it's from the tree, like something that comes down and it keeps hanging. Different trees, okay? Not the leaf, it's like something that comes down and it creates a cluster, and it's like make the formation of a curtain, okay? Not exactly the curtain, but it's the tree curtain, like the something that is hanging down, okay? Like, have you seen the Witches movie and everything, wherein there is a tree and things are hanging? I'm unable to figure out the name of the tree though, but it's something that comes in the cluster, like in all coiled up, and something comes down. And don't mind guys, I'm wearing it because I have a little pain in my wrist, okay, here. So when I woke up it was there, so I thought of like securing it and taking care of it. So yeah, let's go. I feel like your energy is like you are behind it and you're not even peeping, okay? And it's kind of energy very confusing that even if you peep, no one is going to see because it's so healthy and it's like a curtain. But I feel like you're behind that. Okay, there are beautiful comments and everything is very nice and positive. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for donations. Thank you for everything, okay? But another thing is that what was that? Manda. Huh. Yeah, I was about to speak in Hindi, huh? So, yes, Manda, hi. You talked about that there is some voice problem, like the audio is low, and there were some other comments as well, but I speak only the comments, those are with full of adoration, okay? I'm like that. I don't take it like rude comments or something like that. Anyways, so there's I feel like it's because of my AC, possible, because the volume is up and everything I checked, okay? So possible there is some technical issues from either side, or there is some, I don't know what the problem is, but I'm trying to be loud. I hope that you're going to enjoy the reading, and yeah, thank you Sunshine, thank you Allison, thank you everyone who is doing such an effort to bring love to my place, and everyone else as well. This is people who are doing donations and everything, so I take names. I don't know whether I should or I don't know, but I think they will love it, okay? Okay, and of course personal readings. Oh god, essays, talk to them. Where was I? Someone does want to hide, and that's the best place, I think. You know, it's like, oh my god, there lives a witch. Oh my god, there lives a witch. There's a mystery connected with the secrets and the secret keepers and the witches and the elves and everything that you believe in, the fairy and, you know, the devil, the angel, anything. It's something that attracts energies who are not into this world, but they get attracted, okay? So yeah, there is this vibe of being a witch or being witchy a little bit, and then playing with elves and everything and believing the fact, and something is coming. Okay, so this may be, yes. And of course, one of the comments was like, you they love me and so do I love you, and they love the readings, but they say that it's no one is coming. You talk about that someone is coming. Listen, these are general readings, so may or may not resonate with you. Okay, but I hope that someone comes if you're waiting for the one. But again, if you really want to know whether they are coming or not, you need to have a personal reading. Okay, you are hiding. For some cases, going to hit. Now hit what? Communication here. Okay, Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I feel you're on the go, girl. You're on the go, boy. However you take it as. There is something that is growing in your life, which is abundance, finances, inflow of happiness, and there's rest behind that. Whatever the curtain of the tree, leaves and everything area is, you're behind that. You're fine. Okay, this tree is covering you up with protection. I feel that. And you need not to even peep, or you don't peep anymore. Okay, even if they peep, you need not to be worried about, because the tree is protecting you. Something has to do with this Mother Earth, Mother Nature, the tree. There may be something very genuine approach of this particular tree. So we need to figure out about the tree actually, I think. Oh, you recently got a blessing. Okay, I think it's a blessing. Blessing of 10 of Pentacles energy, finances, home, stability. You shifted somewhere, or you're about to, or you're purchasing something, or somewhere you are. There's a big tree with this particular thing hanging. That's possible. This is possible, right? And you're working on this 8 of Cups energy, not looking back, happy with the fact that you took this decision, or you made the decision. Possible this was with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You gave a lot and now you don't want. It's like, I'm taking back my love. I'm taking back my love or care, kind of. That's a song, of course. This is something that you figured out. You figured out this, okay? And I feel with this 10 of Pentacles, it's abundance. It's growth. I know it's about the now, and it's basically about the now. They're saying now. Okay. So you are hanging in where you are happy. You're hanging in where you are fine. Ooh. This may be of the lovers, the love for yourself, or the lovers. Possible it's about, oh wow, it's your secret place, huh? Possible this is about your secret home, secret place, somewhere. You're hanging with the person, you know. Loving and adoring and hugging. Oh, I love hugs. I love hugs. I love hugs more than anything, and and forehead kisses. They make you go in peace. Like, they really care for you. And I feel the way I said, something has to do with the tree, even with me. Okay. Right now, I'm feeling that energy, that they're protecting me, they're guiding me, they're doing something like a hug. This Mother Earth is taking care of me. It's like medicinal something. Like, people are praying to Mother Earth as well. Like, it's like with the powers, and it does work. So hang in there, wherever you are. Things will sort out. I'm still not out with my cards, and it's still 8 minutes. I heard the disgusting whatever was. The disgusting thing is over. Five of Pentacles. Some of you are out of lonesome situations or thoughts. Actually, you were not sad while you were peeping out, because the tree is protecting you. It's like playing the role of a mother or father energy. It's interesting. Catching up with yourself, I feel. Your energy is 5 of Wands. You're catching up with yourself. Not getting into this. Ace of Swords. there is, I'm feeling and hearing no confirmation. You're not confirmed about something, so you're not answering. This may be again initiation or some communication coming for some of you, I don't know. Big self decisions, big individual scenario, or your own fight, your own quarrel, you're overcoming this. This is your challenge, okay? It's like not to get involved in something as well. 5 of Wands. Not to get involved. Can you see this? 6 of, I'll be back, guys. So it's talking about not to get involved, and you have 6 of Swords. It's better to stay at bay. It's better to be fine with self and with your self experience. You've come a long way. I heard come a long way. You've already done it. Okay? You've come a long way fighting your own battle, and the move on is quite good. How we can say it is pretty nice. You're pretty, huh? So you're pretty, honey. So this is a pretty nice journey. Took a lot of courage, yes, can't deny the fact, but then this is somewhere you were supposed to be. You came a long way. Or some of you are planning on having this journey, settling some things, and then moving. Oh wow, this may be something that you're seeking solitude. This may be something that you're healing health-wise. This may be the place you're shifting. This may be an island. The tree is there. It's not necessary though that only islands have tree. We all have trees, but but I feel like kind of energy, because there was focus with the tree. It is okay. Okay, I'm going to tell. Are you having certain issues with health, guys? Recording time 12:12. It's going to be fine. I know there are issues. Yes. Okay, so you're healing in nature. Some of you are healing in nature. You're cutting off your stuff of like technical things, gadgets, and you're working on them less. Okay, or you're just taking a break. People are going vegan here, many. Okay, cutting off those things, those are not supposed to be according to health. Change in the system, maybe connected with metabolism, stomach, something has to do with health. Making big changes in lifestyle, cutting off things here. So may go with that. Overall health I'm talking about. Manifesting that stuff. It's going to be a good decision. That's what they said. Stop worrying. But 9 of Cups is you're going to be connected again. You're going to be feeling special, and you're going to feel blossoming. Like, what is blossoming? It's like you're going to feel that you're blossoming. Okay. It's telling me don't stress. Wherever you are going, whatever the move is, it's good. It's good. Okay, fine. I'm good. Yeah. I heard that you felt the need to, and you're doing it. 9 of Cups energy. Stop taking any extra load. Okay, just settle for yourself. Take some time off from this work or responsibility as well. Take a break. Okay, now it doesn't mean that you're going on an island. Okay, some may, I don't know, but it means that just take a break from this routine of something. It's also stop arguing, stop fighting so hard for something. Just make a move for what is more important in your life right now. What is that you desire the most? What is? You know it better, right? What is that you desire the most? Stability, 10 of Pentacles, money, work, happy life, happy home where you are possible. Stay connected with the roots, okay? This may be business, this may be settling, this may be moving to a new place, new work, or with the person, okay? Getting married even, or if you're married, you're shifting. The one you need to be with, but also it is as an individual. Some of you are just working for fertility of life, basically. I heard instant news. Someone may get who is married or who does want to get pregnant here. The Empress. Okay, it's going to be boom, you go, the next day you're giving the news. I don't know what your next day is, but I heard that instant something is going to be. Oh, Angela, what? That kind of energy. Like Mother Earth is blessing you, like that kind of energy. I also heard healthy baby in the world. So possible that Empress is the mother. Recently she became, or you're getting into motherhood, you became in just few days or a few months ago, or the change that you're going through, or you're just pregnant. Now, not everyone is, you all know that, but some will resonate with this. Mother Earth, tree, honey tree, honey tree, honey tree. Ace of Pentacles, big opportunity, big time opportunity, big collaboration call, money inflow. You may receive money. You may receive money today. I don't know. You may receive money today. And for some, this is a big time work that you have done in like possible 10 years, less or more, but 10 years approx. Big time, okay? For some, it's 5 years. You can see the result of your hard work. It's also some of you are laying the foundation for something, possible laying the foundation of the relationship or laying the foundation of your work. Laying the foundation of the choice. Seven of Cups, someone around the corner. I don't know who this is, maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, because while I was shuffling I was on the cut. May suddenly resonate with you or will contact you via the source, I don't know which source, but they're going to. They may end up sending message, but it's going to be conflicting whether to reply or not. This may be someone who stopped peeping, like hi, stopped, and now you stopped. However, I saw a little energy trying to peep, like this may be your energy. Why? May someone interact or they want to interact with you. There's adoration I see in the Seven of Cups. I also see someone who is commenting. I also see someone who is trying to contact you, like talk to you. Okay, does that make sense to you? It is a different concept, but there's this message. It's going to fluctuate a little bit your mind. Now again, this is not for everyone around the corner. Okay, for some of you, there may be some context going on. I mean, someone who does want your attention, and here you go, you're moving, and in the mid you're just seeing people adoring you for your work, possible, and you do adore them. But there may be some suitors, okay? So possible proposal coming, or just interest matter, they want to have friendship with you. However, your focus is where that depends. Oh yes, I'm going to ask. They want me to, oh my god. They want me to stop. Stop this. Let's see. Some of you are worried. Eight of Swords. You're worried. Can you see the tree? Can you see the tree? You're too much in head, possible. I feel you're worried, okay? Worried about the change, worried about your health, worried about something that is connecting you, endless thoughts, something that is hitting you, and I feel because it's growing, this tree will grow itself. Everything that you require, okay? So your thoughts or whatever you are thinking or are thinking, that's going to go away and it's going to ease you. I feel your ease is coming, and you're going to have the tree here and you need not to cut off. I feel everything is going to be fine. You're going to settling things with your own health or with your own issues here. That's what I see. Your people are Four of Chalices. You require green on this tree as well, okay? I feel the tree is going to grow. Four of Cups or Four of Chalices is something something that you adore the most, something that you want the most, or basically you require the most right now. And I feel migration is over. I feel this is the place. I'm not saying I feel it's too much, I'm sorry. uh, the one you want to be with, or the things that you really need in this time frame, they are all coming towards you. You just stay here, okay? Everything's going to be fine. Whoever is leaving, let them leave. You stay and adore and appreciate what is yours. You put in a lot of work here. So whatever it is, your own frequency, your own health, your own connection, your own work, whatever it is, you just stay there. Don't leave, that someone will take over that, okay? So whatever it is, appreciate what is now. Don't leave and don't overthink. And it's going to be fine. It's going to be green. It's going to grow, okay? Something will go out of this frame, which is good if this is tree. I feel that someone, whoever this is, if this is a person coming around the corner or they will come around, they're going to appreciate you and you being you, okay? Like, I feel like you are the holder of the situation. You don't just leave and switch, okay? Like, you know how to handle things, you know how to grow things, you know that patience is very important here. Sometimes everyone, I don't feel that it's not happening with anyone. I feel it has to do with a lot of experience though, and then you gain patience, okay? But we are less of patience many times, and it's okay. But I feel with this energy, Lord, they'll appreciate what you are whenever they'll come. If they are around, you're going to know about that. I just ask that, Sabila, tell me, what is in the future? You have faithfulness. The love that will surround you, or the connection or the happiness that will surround you. This is about your loyalty towards something as well in your life. Loyalty towards lover, loyalty towards your work. Someone will appreciate. They won't be that much like egoistic or attitude problem, nothing. They're going to appreciate you the way you are, and they're going to sing the song for you, which means they're going to do the things that they never did for anyone because they know that what you are. That kind of energy. However, energies can go vice versa as well, you know, these are general, but I kind of feel this energy. And I also see with the faithfulness and lover, there's going to be someone who is around you, or they're going to be around you. There's going to be an offering possible, a lover that speaks your language, lover that will understand you, and someone who is going to be very faithful to you. This is going to happen in your future. When? Just let me know. Oh my god, the card fell down. Okay, I hope it's going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.